All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got something different. Gonna try to do a little bit of a knife sale on the channel. Let's see how it works. I never done it so far, but I'm seeing other channels doing this. So let's try, because I got some interesting ones, which are listed on the website, which is fablades.com. Prices are in US dollars, but feel free to send me an offer if you'd like to negotiate a little bit on these guys, because all these I'm gonna show you are consignment knives, so people send them in so I can check them out and list them for them. So if you want any of these guys, just hit me up. So we can start with this one right over here. This is a DB Fraley knife. It's a dress dagger. Would you look at this piece? It's very interesting. It's sporting it's a full dress, so it has a false top edge. Okay, this is a boomerang mokutai frame, nicely polished. Boomerang Damascus steel as well for the blade. Lost Soul engraved pocket clip and matching backspacer. This is listed at $2,500. But again, feel free to send an offer in for this pretty cool fella. I mean, DB Fraley, it's a legend in the knife market. So that's the first fella that I'm going to show you. The second one, also DB Fraley. This is the Torrent, and it's a liner lock. It's very, very interestingly made. Beautiful materials employed for sure. You get to see this pretty cool recurve Damascus boomerang blade, mokutai bolsters. Of course, would you look at that? Same mokutai Lost Soul engraved pocket clip and backspacer with a pretty cool marble carbon fiber set of scale completing this gorgeous piece. Very, very interesting, beautiful. It's a liner lock. Nice. So that's the second piece I got for you today. Next up, I'm going to show you this fella right over here. This is a Roger Hatt Gentleman Tactical Knife. It's a tiny one. It's sporting a carbon fiber scales. And look at the Damascus. This is fossil Damascus bolster, Damascus blade, and matching backspacer. That's crazy. Look at the finish that went on this blade right over here. Carbon fiber scales, Damascus bolsters. You have hand filed worked liners on the back, and of course this guy has a pretty snappy thumb stud action. I believe that is like a sapphire. I don't know, but it's Canadian made knife. Roger Hatt is making these out of British Columbia, which is happening to be my province. So this is the second one that I got for you guys. And third one, I got a little fella right over here. You get to see this is the Greg Lightfoot Impulse, another thumb stud operating one. And this fella, it's a Gentleman Tactical folder, comes with these pretty nice desert ironwood scales, zirc and copper infused bolsters. You get a Chad Nichols Damas steel pocket clip and matching spacer with a CPM 154 stainless steel blade for this pretty cool liner lock, made in Canada as well, Greg Lightfoot. So there you have it, guys. You get these four, one over here on the table. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions, right down here. Shoot me an email if you want to send some offers for this fella, and let me know. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.